Nightingale from the City Garden. The famous opera house is located in a beautiful park, which leans on the river at one end. Poor Bilbil sang in the park, collecting change to buy food.
Bravo! Bravo! Bravo!
One day the general manager of the opera heard the girl singing and wept because of the beauty of the song. Bilbil saw tears in the man's eyes and was very grateful that he understood her poem. When she earned some money, she would go down to the river and stare blankly into the murky stream. The general manager of the opera house was walking by the river. He came to Bilbil and offered her to come to the audition.
Bravo!
Bilbil received ovations and congratulations at the audition. And so Bilbil signed an exclusive contract with the opera house, with the condition that she could only sing there. Bilbil quickly became famous and rich, which also brought great profits to the opera house. Now rich and famous, Bilbil often went to the opera house through the park, where she used to sing. If she found a street singer, she would reward him richly. But just as the beauty of the day and the gloom of the clouds alternate, happiness is not constant. The manager's son came with news of a robot that plays and sings. The son believed that the opera must be modernized, and the father left his position to his son. Soon, a robot that plays and sings arrived at the opera house. They assembled the robot, and everyone was fascinated by the precision of its playing and singing.
Bravo!
The audience was delighted with the robot, and Bilbil had to sing backing vocals. Dissatisfied, Bilbil went to the manager, and he agreed that she should leave the opera and go out into the world. One evening, during the performance, and to the horror of the audience, the robot simply disintegrated. The robot was repaired, but it didn't play as well anymore, and the crowd was dwindling. The opera house fell into financial problems, and the manager's son fled to the world. Creditors have come with their demands, and the general manager would have to go to jail. The world-famous and rich Bilbil was very shaken by the news that the opera house and the manager were in big trouble. The general manager, desperate, could not believe his eyes when Bilbil sat next to him. Bilbil was now in a position to return the favor and help restore the opera house's glory. And the opera house shone again with its old glory, with a lot of audience, who greeted Bilbil with applause.